Hi, this is my cat, this is my coffee machine, and this is a brew group from my coffee machine that I removed for cleaning, so it will be a good moment to show you how it actually works, how I believe it works. First let's take a look here. I'm not sure about one thing, but in a moment. After the coffee is done, the grounds come down here. There was a tray here, but it's actually in a dishwasher. The water most probably comes in here. This is something I'm not sure, maybe the coffee comes out here, but most probably the water comes in here because there are quite good O-rings here. Coffee most probably comes out this hole. And this is a motor that's rotating things in a brew group. This is coffee inlet. So if you use a pre-ground coffee, then it comes here. And there's also a grinder here, which just grinds the coffee and it goes into the brew group. And now to the brew group, which is very interesting actually. So this is a brew group. I already cleaned it. I will clean it some more. When the motor starts rotating, what happens is, well, first the coffee comes here. Coffee grounds come here. Then it's picked up. And look what happens when I push it. I simulate the motor rotating. This comes up. The water inlet comes up, but also this plunger makes a chamber, I don't know how it's called, where the coffee is pressurized, the water is pressurized and the coffee is actually brewed. So the coffee is brewed, it comes out here probably, and after the coffee is brewed, look what happens. Maybe I will show it to you this way. So the motor comes down, then it comes a little more. Let me try to push it here. Yeah, there is a scoop here of some kind that will. The coffee is here. Coffee grounds are here, and when it's being pushed, it just slides down and ends up here. I believe that's how it works. Pretty simple, pretty clever. Remember to clean your brew group, otherwise, well, clean and lubricate really. It's in the manual, but nobody reads the manual, I guess. The mold can form there, or all other nasty things. Alright, that's it. Short video about the coffee machine. Thanks for watching.